Typography carries language across time and borders, giving letters their shape and influencing how we read, feel, and interpret words. It is where language takes form and helps us make sense of a world in constant communication. What role does typography play in how people experience language? How does it reflect the ideas of its time? In what ways can it challenge language itself and affect how it evolves? For 10 years, the Hoffmitz Milken Center for Typography has been asking these questions as an educational resource, creative studio, and research center. Based within the creative community of Art Center College of Design in Pasadena, California, HMCT caters to students and professionals alike through a variety of spaces and programs. The archive at HMCT is a repository of original and rare materials on typography, letterform design, and graphic design. Its collection contains posters, books, and other resources from the 20th and 21st centuries, all available for in-person viewing and online access. Curated around themes of typography, graphic design, and language, the HMCT Gallery presents work from local and international designers, offering the audiences a place to learn and reflect on their influence. HMCT hosts talks and workshops for students and professionals, featuring creative individuals with insightful perspectives on their craft. Held online and in person, recorded sessions are added to a free, growing online archive. The Typographer in Residence program brings designers, researchers, and educators to HMCT for a 4-week period, supporting individual or group projects that explore various aspects of typography and language. The center publishes books connected to its exhibitions, residencies, or other initiatives, documenting and sharing the ideas explored through its programs. Archetype Press, located next to HMCT, is Art Center's letterpress studio and one of the largest educational facilities of its kind in the country. It houses a dozen Vandercook presses and more than 2,500 cases of metal and wood type. With programming supported by HMCT, it brings analog technology into the digital era, offering hands-on experience in typographic practice. The Printer in Residence program brings renowned letterpress printers from around the world to the letterpress studio, giving them the space and resources to produce a project that combines their practice with the studio's rich typographic collection. Founded in 2015, the center is named for the late Leah Hoffmitz Milken, a professor at Art Center and a formative figure in typography and education. HMCT continues to be inspired by her teachings, bringing meaning to the intricate symbols that frame and inform so much of human communication. As HMCT continues to grow, expand its resources, and inspire new conversations, we hope designers, students, and educators continue to engage with typography and explore its impact on language and design.